All right, we had a request for You're the Inspiration by Chicago. The request was technically for an easy version, but this is going to be more intermediate. Nevertheless, it's arranged. I've arranged it for a solo singer-guitarist, and if that sounds interesting to you, come along. We're going to learn it by looking at 5 different sections of the song. Once you get these sections down, you put them together in the proper place, and you'll be able to play it and perform it. Let's go. All right, section 1 is the intro. Now, incidentally, just so you know, I'm playing it a half step lower than the original key. If you want to play it and perform it in the original key, you just put a capo on the 1st fret and you've got it. But it's easier for a guitarist if it's a half step lower based on the chords. Okay, so here's the intro. G, A minor 7, G over B, A minor 7, G, C add 9, D, and then go back to the G, and you're going to repeat all that. Now, of course, all of that is a lot faster when you're playing the intro, so work on it to get it smooth. Here's an example of it up to tempo. Takes us to section 2, which is the verse. All right, section 2 begins with a B flat. You know our love was meant to be, and you're going to go to a D minor 7, but you're going to sharp the 5th. And then take it back to D minor 7. G minor, the kind of love, F, last E flat, forever. Go back to the F and repeat B flat. And I want you here with me. So same chords. G minor to the F to the E flat, but stay on the F flat or E flat. All right, then F over A to B flat. E flat over G to A flat. D over F sharp, G minor, C over E, F, D over F sharp, G, A. All right, let me play all that in context so you can hear it, okay? You know our love was meant to be. To the next section, which is the chorus. Okay, so the chorus is D, D over F sharp. You can just put your thumb down on the 2nd fret of the 6th string, then G, and then you could just play an A, that will work, but I like to play an A6 sus4, and then an A. So, you're the meaning in my life, you're the inspiration, like that, and then repeat. All right, then the next 4 chords are going to keep an F bass over the chords, where the first chord is an F, then a C chord, but with an F bass. Then a B flat chord, but with an F bass. Then a B flat minor with an F bass. So this F is going to ring through all 4 chords. Let's do all of them together. Wanna have you near me, I wanna holding back on the singing. I don't want to belt it out, which you kind of have to do on this song, so it might sound a little weak. It's all right. It's the chord you want to learn. All right. Then the next 4 chords are an F over C. So you want an F with a C bass. Keep that chord, but then you're going to raise this note, which is the 3rd, up a half step, which makes it an F sus4 over C. Okay. Like that. Then a C sus4. Then right to a C. So that goes. No one needs you more than I need. Okay, and then the last 2 chords are E flat, U, and F. And that takes us to the 4th section. Now the 4th section is like the first, but now it's in a different key. It starts with the B flat. So I'm going to call it a little interlude. And the chords are actually B flat, C minor 7, B flat over D, back to C minor 7, B flat, E flat, and F. However, that is difficult to do up to tempo, so I really can't do it very well. So here's an alternative. Play the B flat. Instead of playing this full C minor 7, we're just going to play the root and the top note. So that's a C note, 3rd fret on the 5th string, and an E flat note, which is the 4th fret on the 2nd string. Move that up 2 frets, back down, and then back to the B flat. So, whoops. That's much easier than. Very difficult. But you can do either one if you can do both. And then the E flat. And that transitions us back to the verse. So the last section is the chorus once more, but now it is transposed or modulated up a full step. So instead of in D, it's in E. And that goes E, then E over G sharp, A, and then you can do a B sus4 to a B. The second time through is E over G sharp, and then watch this, A, E over G sharp, F sharp minor, B. So this is like a, when you love somebody till the end of time. When you love somebody, always on my mind. When you love, and on and on and on. Okay, you put those 5 sections together in the proper order, and you've got You're the Inspiration for a Solo Singer-Guitarist. Thanks so much for the request. You're the Inspiration. Great tune to have in your tool bag, and you can get it. Okay, thanks a lot for swinging by. I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.